Hi guys, this is Mr. Henrich. I'm here to show you how to enter the Blackboard Collaborate shell or session that our online classes will take place in. So one of the great things about remote learning is that we can do it anytime, anywhere. So if we have a snow day this year, you know, the AP World community will never stop. Our test is in early May regardless of the weather we get this year. So anyway, I'm here on my desktop. I've already logged in to Blackboard, but what you'd have to do is first off go to Blackboard, and you'll see your courses here, of course. And if you go down, we're actually going to go to AP World History, and under the very first announcement I've placed, at least from the announcement on October 24th, that you're going to enter the shell here. And you'll get this screen, and you want to make sure you download. And I want to run this for sure. And it's going to take a few moments here to load up. While it's loading up, in the event that we do use this online, you may want to... We're going to go ahead and click Finish here. You may want to already be logged into your Google Apps as well, depending on the assignment that we're doing. All right, and then you're going to click Join as a student, and it says Log into Session. Please enter your name as you want it to appear here. So for me, I'm just going to put Mr. H. You would put your actual name, no handles, please, and of course everything has to be school appropriate. And again, I'm going to go down here and open. And so again, this takes a few minutes. I've actually done this on my smartphone as well. And there is a Blackboard Collaborate app, which I encourage you all to do. I've actually attended a few online classes myself on my smartphone. And if you can see it here, let's see if this works. The Blackboard Collaborate app are these, where are they? They're these double white arrows on a purple background. So that's the app that you'll need. In addition to, I've also got my Blackboard Mobile Learn app right here. You see the capital B, lowercase b. You know, so we know it as Blackboard, but it's going to be it's actually called 24/7 in the App Store. All right, so then I'm going to run again. I think that's the third run we've had to click. So as you can see, this takes a few moments, and you know, if class starts at a particular time, let's say 5 p.m. for example, you know, just like a regular class, hopefully you're getting to class early and logging in, you know, 10 to 15 minutes early just to make sure there. Okay, so my school computer here, you know, you're obviously going to need Wi-Fi for this as well. So luckily for me, I have a default. And then here we are. So we are in the classroom here now, and you should be good to go at this point. So I think from here you should be able to hear me. I also want you to test, you know, your talking tools and things like that. I'm probably going to turn those options off for you for part of the class. There's also a chat box down here as well, so you guys can message and text me and each other. Of course, things are relevant and pertinent to the class should go here as well. So also here too, you should have some emojis that you can use, and I'm going to, throughout the class, ask you to use some of these emojis. So for example, I might go over a topic, you know, the Chinese belief systems, for example, and the effect they had on the state. And then I might ask you, you know, for a thumbs up if you understand Taoism. Or you can also give a thumbs down. So that's it. You can do an LOL, an applause. I'm sure I'll get a lot of those as a teacher. A smiley face. You can also raise your hand in here as well. So if you see here, you know, even on the teacher, as the teacher, I will see your red hand raised just like I would in the class. So even though we're not face-to-face in the same room, you know, we can you can participate, and what I've heard at least about the online class, and you can also click the hand just to, you know, put your hand down. What I've also learned about the class too is that this may be as or even more interactive than a face-to-face class, because you guys are going to, you know, have keyboard courage in a sense, and you'll be able to comment. Here's also a yes, no, maybe. If I put a poll up, a verbal poll, or if I type one out, you can do that as well. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and try the video here. And all right, I think because I have my Screencast-O-Matic already on, it might not let me do video, but whether you want to see me or not, I'll probably be up here in this corner, so I'm going to try that one more time. So anyway, yeah, I think because I have one camera already going, it's not going to work. Okay, so that's about it. I'm also talking here as well. This is the whiteboard here, and here's the whiteboard. So, you know, I theoretically will be able to, you know, enter some things here. I can draw on the whiteboard. You know, we can show some things. I can also share well, I thought I could share a website here. So there's a lot of different functions where you'll be able to actually see my desktop, and I'm going to turn off most of the options for you guys, so you can't be opening up your own websites or anything like that. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Logging on through Blackboard, through the AP World class. It's the very first announcement, at least so far, from October 24th. And you should be able to enter the shell. Again, it takes, you know, 5 to 10 minutes. There'll be some technical difficulties to, you know, to set up your microphone and your camera. Not so much for you to have to speak, but for you to at least hear me, if nothing else. So that's it, guys. I hope that makes sense, and good luck. Thanks.